The next thing I'm going to show you is how to make some cough syrup at home. If you've got a cough or you think you're going to start getting one, this cough syrup's really good, and there's just 2 ingredients in it. It's absolutely amazing, and you will not believe, right, how simple and easy it is and how effective it is. Onion sliced with sugar, have a spoonful, and it actually does help with your cough and sore throat, and it's got some great antimicrobial properties. They've got a chemical allicin, which is it's when you smell the onion, that's the chemical that you're smelling, and that chemical has got antibacterial properties. Onions contain high iron and calcium and vitamin B6 as well. So we've got 1 onion, put a whole spoon of sugar in there, and all you're doing is just sprinkle it on top. I'm just going to mix that up, and it does need to be airtight, okay? If you haven't got any airtight containers, you can just stick some cling film on top, and every so often you can just give it a bit of a shake. So there's our cough syrup. Add honey onto it, but shake it every couple of hours if you want to. Honestly, I'm not kidding you, I was so surprised. It actually tastes like medicine, only a hint of onion, and it's brilliant. It's really, really brilliant to have at home. So there you go, we've come to the end of that. Thank you so much, and you've been absolutely wonderful. Take care, bye bye.